Now the dust and rain here at Carstairs Station, approximately 100 kilometres north of Wentworth on the Darling. It's stage one of dispersal of the commercial Dorper ewes and lambs. It's 112 ewes with 170 lambs at foot. The mixed stage ewes, predominantly orange tag and green, but a few others in there. Lambs are April, May, June 23 drop. They're by the dust and rain Dorper rams, type 4 and 5 rams. Got their own stud here, so quality bred. They've also got a worst scanned day of assessment. There was 19 scanned in lamb with twins, 13 scanned in lamb with singles, to 4 type 5 Burrowang rams, and there was 80 that were undetectable. They may be up to 10 days in lamb. The rams are in from the 27th of May to the 8th of August. Lambs are outstanding. Average weight was approximately 33 kilos. The ewes are putting it all into their lambs. They've got their working gear on. The odd ewe in light enough condition, but all the money's in the lamb. Note that there are other lots here in the sale. Same genetics.